time to see a good poopy newt. I did it again.
Hi there. What a wonderful time for you to drop by.
Welcome to Silly Goose Academy. Okay, put 1 in. 2. Whoops. And 3 in. 3 in.
We draped a blanket over some chairs here, just so that it catches the ball so it doesn't run away from us. Makes it easier, so it's not bouncing all over the place to try and chase after it. You guys know what we're going to be doing?
We're going to be bowling.
Yeah.
We're going to be bowling.
Glow in the dark bowling.
Yeah. With the spiked balls.
They're glow in the dark. Spiky balls.
Very nice.
Yeah,
Okay, should we dim the lights?
Not real,
Yeah.
but yeah, those toys. So 4.
Oh, nice job.
Yes, I did it. What if I use the biggest one? Fastest ball. It's the biggest.
It's hard.
No.
Should we turn the lights down more?
Yeah.
Okay, go one more time and we'll turn them down.
Ball, but can't reach.
Oh, so close.
So close.
Daddy, look at us.
Whoa. That's awesome.
Hey, might not me right now.
Oh, nice. Okay, you gotta go again.
Ooh, nice. I knew you could do it. Stand back.
Ooh, okay, I'll throw it back.
You can't just go in there. What?
Oh, very nice. Okay, Bubby.
Everyone's
Okay, Bubby, your turn. Go. Oh. You can stay at the end and I'll roll the ball back to you. Oh.
Daddy.
How did it get down?
Woo! We got him. To back up. So hold on a second. Nice. What you got, buddy? Whoa, you took your arms off. That looks cool, huh?
Hey, Daddy, what's this?
You want to make a jump rope? That'd be cool. You could take yours off.
I have a
You have some more in there.
Better idea. Oh, that's not.
It's hard because you have all those glow sticks on you. It doesn't have real handles. It's alright. Let's see. What? It's like a lightsaber, huh?
It is a lightsaber.
Yeah.
I made a red light.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.